In this video, we'll be replacing the driver's side wheel opening molding on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process for the passenger side, as well as the first generation from 2007 to 2015. We're going to start here at the front portion of our wheel opening molding. We have one Phillips clip. If you get in there with the Phillips screw and don't push, but lightly back that out. So our Phillips screw here in this clip is stripped out. So what we're going to need to do is pull that center portion out. I'm going to use a pick tool to work that center piece out. I'll go ahead and remove the clip. Following our wheel opening molding towards the rear, we have one more clip here. Again, just not pressing in, but lightly using a Phillips head screwdriver to back the center out. Go ahead and remove that clip. Working further down in our wheel molding trim here, you should have a few more clips. Our vehicle doesn't have them, but you should have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 more clips from here down. Go ahead and remove those. So now we're going to work at pulling our molding away from the vehicle. Now you'll get to a point where it won't want to move or actually come out. There are a couple of clips all the way up the liner into the fender. Now we're going to use a panel tool, but we're not going to put our panel tool up against the paint. What we're going to do is put a rag or something behind our panel tool up against the paint so we're not damaging the paint. We're going to find where our clip is, which is right about here. I'm going to pry that clip out of the fender. All right, we're going to continue to do that all the way up and over. So what I found to work is put your panel tool on the next clip and then put your rag in behind it onto the body of the vehicle. So we put our tool on our next clip. We'll move our rag in behind it and then go ahead and pry. And then one last one's going to be right up here in the corner. Now you may have a few clips break, like we did. You're going to want to replace those when you go to reinstall your molding. So we're going to take our wheel opening molding and we're going to hold it up in place. Once you hold it up in place, you can start to align your clips on the back side. Once you have your clips aligned, just go ahead and squeeze them into place and lock them in. And do that all the way down. Once you have your clips in place, we can go ahead and put in our clips on the inside of our fender well. So we're going to find our hole here. We're going to take our push clip, set that in place, and push in to lock. We're going to go all the way up and over and find the one at the front and do the same. So next we're going to find our clip location at the front, push in our retaining clip. There you go. So now we're going to put in a couple of clips that we came across to fill in down here. And up the line here, one more right up top here. And you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.